Let's be completely honest. Running a business or growing a brand is exhausting. If you're a small business owner, a solo founder, or a freelancer creator, you know the painful reality.
You aren't just building your product, you are also expected to act as a full-time social media manager and SEO specialist, a graphic designer, a copywriter, and a paid ads expert. The problem is that hiring a professional marketing agency or an in-house team costs thousands of dollars every month. Money most startups simply don't have. If you try to do it all yourself, you burn out. Consistency slips and you waste hours spinning your wheels across 10 different channels.
But what if you could handle that entire workload with a dedicated team of specialized marketing employees who work for you 24/7 for a fraction of the cost?
Today we are deep diving into Fetra AI, an all-in-one platform of specialized AI agents built to act as your complete marketing department. We'll look at the onboarding flow, test its distinct AI employees in real time, and see if this tool is actually worth switching to. Let's start right with the setup. A major downside to general AI tools like ChatGPT is that they don't know your brand, forcing you to feed them long prompts every single time. Fetra AI fixes this right from day one. When you sign up and enter the onboarding flow, you don't have to fill out the massive questionnaires. You simply input your brand's website URL. For our walkthrough today, we are using a standard B2B SaaS product website to show you a real-world use cases. Watch how quickly the system scans the landing page. It automatically extracts your core product features, target demographic, brand identity, and exact tone of the voice. From there, click the Start 7-day trial button to begin your free trial. And the platform establishes a centralized marketing strategy tailored to your company's unique voice. Because it locks in your brand identity immediately, every asset it generates feels authentic. You don't have to re-explain your business ever again. Now that our brand identity is locked in, let's meet Marco, our AI social growth manager. In the interface, you can connect accounts across major platforms like Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Threads, Blue Sky, TikTok, and YouTube. Let's test Marco with a quick prompt. Create a promotional post, highlight our core software capabilities for our upcoming product launch. Instead of generic text, Marco analyzes your website profile to generate multiple platform-specific variations, like punchy text for X, professional framing for LinkedIn, and visual copy for Instagram. He also autonomously produces high-contrast imagery and video assets that match your brand voice. From there, simply review your integrated weekly content calendar and publish or schedule across all channels with a single click.
Social media drives immediate engagement, but a long-term organic growth relies on search engine traffic.
That brings us to Reed, our AI SEO blog writer. Instead of hours of manual keyword research, you simply input a broad target keyword. Reed instantly conducts a live SERP landscape analysis, uncovering content gaps and high-potential long-tail keywords. Once you select the recommended topic, Reed generates a comprehensive long-form article built around Google's strict EEAT principles. The built-in editor automatically formats headings, lists, and images. When it's ready, you can publish it directly to WordPress, Wix, Shopify, or Webflow with a single click. Next up is Vivi, our AI video director. Vivi eliminates time-consuming production by generating commercial-ready marketing videos tailored to your brand likeness and campaign objectives. Take a look at these two outputs. An 8 seconds high-impact mobile teaser with crisp visual assets and a detailed 15-second video showcasing specific product value propositions. Both feature clean text overlays and perfect brand alignment. Beyond video production, the built-in ads optimizer takes these assets, generates platform-specific ad concepts, and creates continuous testing frameworks to automatically improve your campaign performance.
When you look at the platform as a whole, it's clear who Fetra AI is built for.
If you're a small business owner who lacks time for daily content creation, a solo founder trying to handle marketing alone, or an agency juggling multiple clients, this platform bridges the execution gap. It eliminates the need to jump between 5 different single-use AI tools.
The customer success cases on their homepage highlight real, tangible traffic growth and weekly time savings.
If you want to stop playing catch-up with your marketing and let an automated growth team handle it 24/7, I highly recommend checking this out.
You can try Fetra AI entirely for free right now. I've placed a unique trial sign-up link in the very first line of the description below. Go and click that link, set up your profile, and let me know in the comments what you think, my dear friends. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos.